The last trade that I took this month was NZD, JPY. And this is the results of the trade. This is when I dropped the buy trade signal in my premium trading group, and everybody got in on the trade. Pay close attention to the stop loss and the take profit target. From this point, the market started making price movements to our target direction and profits began to flow. And at this point, the volatility increased and the market rose up massively, escalated the profits. Even with only this movement, I was already in $11,000 profits. And finally the market moved from there and hit our take profit target, leaving me in a pool of profits. And if you noticed, when I showed the profits, there was a CAD CHF long trade that was moving in loss. Here is what happened after. I later closed that trade in a $400 plus profits the next day. If you have joined our Telegram channel, you must have seen when I was uploading the progress of this trade, step by step, while it was still moving to the take profit target. And if you have not joined us on Telegram yet, the link is in the description box below. Now, the fun fact is that I made all these profits in combination with one of the simple liquidity trading strategy that I taught you all in one of my previous video. And in this video I will be teaching you all the exact blueprint that I used to grow my first successful trading account, down to making my first $100,000 a month in trading. I will be showing you exactly what I did to achieve all these heights, including a simple trading strategy that you can start to use today and begin to make endless profits from the market. But before we get into all of that, do well to like this video to help other traders find this video and also get the formula to making $100,000 profits per month, and subscribe to our channel if you are new here. Now, my tribe soldiers, let's get down into this business. Before I reveal one of the simple trading strategy that I use to make $100,000 per month, let's first get to understand how I managed to maintain my profits and not lose them back to the market. This is very, very important, because no matter how good your strategy works in the market, if you don't understand how to lock in your profits and not give them back to the market, you will never be able to reach the greater heights of trading. Some of you are making some profits every day from the market, yes, but at the end of the day, you are left with nothing. Then you begin to wonder why. Why am I always losing everything to the market? After taking a long time of mental stress and knowledge to gather them, going through all the stress and pain, and at the end of the day, it seems like you are working like an elephant, but eating like an ant. That is an error. And it's because you are doing one of these things the wrong way, or not even doing them at all. Number 1. The market does not belong to you. Take only what you can take. This may sound a bit controversial, but I have said this earlier on this channel. This is what I came into full realization after making a lot of losses in the market. The market does not belong to you or any of your family member. Stop thinking you can enter and exit the market at any time you please and be making profits. The truth is that the market can be so deceptive. You will be looking at the chart and seeing multiple opportunities in the market, thinking you can enter with them and make profits instantly. You see a lot of strategies that you can apply, and you say to yourself, damn, I am going to make the best out of this market. I am going to take everything. But by the time you take those opportunities that looked way too real to give you profits, you find out the wrong way, that you are not in control of the market. You can only be in control of yourself. I know a trader that any time he opens the chart, he finds a new way of making profits. So he gets excited and dumps his former ways. His goal is that he wants to be inside every big move of the market. But by the time he enters that trade that looks so good that he just found how to take, the market ends up surprising him, taking his account back to where it belongs. You must realize that the market is forever flowing, and the only way you can make profits is to tag along. And to tag along, you need to have an experience of how the market really works, with some certain structure or strategies, then master it and use them periodically. If you feel like you are way too hungry to enter the market and catch all the big moves. Then you have to time travel back to 1950 and start taking all the trades from there. And by the time you back to us again, you will tell yourself the truth. Number 2. You will have to stop overtrading. The market is never enough, trades will always keep coming, but the discipline to only enter the best of them is what is going to take you far, to making $100,000 per month. I like to cut my trades to taking 0 to 4 trades in a week, and 5 at the maximum. This way I can be able to track all my trades and see which performed great, just like the one I showed you earlier, and many more. When you cut down your trades and start taking only the best setups, you will find yourself making more profits in the market. But if you are the type that loves taking 16 trades in a day and more than 200 trades in a week, I am sorry, you have a very long way to go. You will never see a professional trader trading that way. The professional Forex traders that trade for big banks, hedge funds, and very big companies all have the same thing in common. They rarely trade. They can take 5 trades in a month, and they will be very satisfied with their profits. Don't try to be that trader that is always trying so hard to find opportunities in the market. Allow the opportunities to come to you. Before we fully get into the strategy, I will tell you the next thing you need. And this is very important, because without it, you cannot trade comfortably and be making your $100,000 profits from the market every month, and that is a good broker. If you are a Forex trader watching this, you will know how this deeply affects your trades and determine your success in trading. Without a good broker, even if you are following the first 2 concepts, you will still not become a profitable trader in the market. The demand for this good broker increases every day. In fact, I get asked all the time by beginners and even pro traders who are tired of the bad brokers manipulating their trades all the time. The question is always the same: what is the best broker? Well, for me, I have been using one broker for more than 9 years. And this broker is the reason I can comfortably trade every day in the market without stress. The name of the broker is called Deriv. Deriv broker has the best spreads in the market, best deposit and withdrawals, with a lot of payment options that everyone can use to deposit and withdraw their money effortlessly. And in an ongoing partnership promo with Deriv broker, we are giving out free 10 days premium signals to new Deriv users, meaning that when you register with Deriv broker using our partnership link in the description box below, you will get access to our premium trading group, where I share all the trading signals that I take every day, including the one I showed you earlier, and even bigger ones we have traded in the past. So instead of paying the normal $50 for 30 days premium signals, you will get our trading signals for free for 10 trading days. To qualify for this offer, register with our partnership link below and send a message on Telegram to be added to our premium trading group. Now, let's move deep into our simple trading strategy. In this trading strategy, we are going to be combining liquidity trading and the trendline strategy to make huge amounts of money from the market. Liquidity trading is very efficient and is one of the golden trading strategies in the market. I have taught a few of my highly profitable and raw liquidity strategies on this channel, and the trendline, on the other hand, is one of the most simple trading strategy that I have ever come across in my whole life. And in this video, we are going to be trading these 2 powerful trading strategies together to create magic in the market. They will work hand in hand to give us profits. So, when you open your chart, the first thing you will want to do is to spot a new trendline formation. Here, you can see that we are in an uptrend. So we have a higher high, a higher low and another higher high before the market returns to the line. But before it returned to the trend line, something happened. When you look here, you can see that there was a lot of liquidity build up before the last higher high movement. And if you don't know much about liquidity build up, go and watch my free course on liquidity for beginners. Now, when you are using this strategy, you will always wait for the liquidity to build up before the market peaks up the last higher high, and then return to take out the liquidity zones, and at the same time touching the trend line. You can already feel how powerful this strategy can be. Normally, we can take a trade when the market returns to the trend line, but waiting for the market to create a liquidity build-up makes us understand that the market has some unfinished business to do when it returns to the trend line, and at the same time taking out those liquidity zones, and when the market returns to the trend line and also take out all the liquidity zones, we find an entry and enter the market. And remember, I said a new trendline formation. Always make sure it's a new trendline formation. This helps us to get in early in a strong market push. So here you can see that after the market took out the last liquidity zone and at the same time already touching the trend line, the market then rose exponentially to our target direction. So we can call this a successful trade. Now let me show you another example of this on the chart. So here the market was moving down in a downtrend. How did we know that? That's because we saw a lower low, a lower high, and another lower low, giving us a good bearish trend confirmation. And after that, we can see that the market formed a build-up of liquidity zones during the process of creating the last lower low. So now, we want the market to return to the trend line, and at the same time taking out all this liquidity zones, and that is exactly what happened here. The market returned to the trend line and took out all the liquidity zones, and when this happens, we find our entry and take our trade, and as you can see here, this trade was a successful one. Now, let's see another example of this. So here, we can see that the market was also moving in a downtrend. Take a look at the liquidity build-up here. And as the market returned to the trend line, it touched the trend line, took out all the liquidity zones, and moved in the target direction, giving us a lot of profits in the market. Now, you can see that this strategy is very simple, and also very easy to remember. Now, let's go over the steps again, so you can remember them and apply them on your chart. So first, we wait for a trend formation. This can be a bearish trend formation or a bullish trend formation. Second, we make sure that the market created liquidity zones when it was about to create the last piece of the formation. That is the last lower low or the last higher high, depending on the trend. Third, we want the market to return to the trend line and at the same time clear out all the liquidity zones. We call that action a liquidity sweep, and after that, we find an entry and start making profits from the market. Now listen, this strategy works on all time frames. But that does not mean you should get greedy and start targeting the higher time frame with your small account. Choose a time frame according to the type of trader that you are. If you are a day trader like me, I advise you stick to the 15 minutes time frame or the 5 minutes time frame. If you are a swing trader, you stick to the 4 hours or the 1 hour time frame. And if you are a scalper, you already know what to do. Now, speaking of scalping, if you have a very small account, learning how to scalp is a very big advantage for you, as you will be able to take very low risk trades and manage your account till they grow into a bigger account size. In this video, I taught on how to start scalping from scratch, even as a beginner with complete zero experience. Follow the steps in the video to become a pro scalper in 10 minutes. We are the Trading Tribe, and it's a wrap for this video. See you in the next one.